Hello, and welcome to another episode of Into the Wild. Today, we're in the wild, in my backyard, and we're going to learn about photography. Today, in photography, we learn about composition, where we are using the rule of thirds. There's a bird here, out in the wild, and if you're taking a picture of him, boom, snap, on the first corner, I think he's camera shy. It's as easy as that. Using the rule of thirds, you align the subject in the 1, 2, 3, 4 corners in the middle of the screen. In doing so, you captivate, utilize, acquire, enforce the rule of thirds. Thank you for watching another episode of Into the Wild.